Cute, but can I make a stencil? Or how to take a bad video of your dogs and create a fantastic stencil. In this video, I assume you have working knowledge on how to use Photoshop or can adapt your favorite drawing program to match these steps. Okay, first step is to create a blank image file. Resolution for StencilPro Standard should be at least 300 pixels per inch. I'm going to make a full-size stencil in portrait mode, so width is 11 inches and height is 8.5 inches. Save it off. I'll call it pugs. Now I'll bring in the image I captured from my iPhone video. I only want the dogs, so I'll crop out the rest and copy it to a new layer in my main image file. For this stencil, I want at least a 1-inch border, so I'll create a couple of guidelines. Now let me stretch the image up to the guidelines. Hold the Shift key to maintain the aspect ratio to the original image. Now let's convert the image to halftone. But first let's duplicate the layer into a new image file. This is because converting into halftone will require flattening the image, and we don't want to do this to our main image file. Now go to Image, Mode, Grayscale. Next, Image, Mode, Bitmap. Output should be 300 pixels per inch. Method should be halftone screen. Next, set frequency to 22 lines per inch. Leave angle as is. Shape round. Now let's copy bitmap back to our main image file and rename layer to pug1. As you can see, this area has small dots that will not render on the silkscreen, so it won't affect anything. But if you want to remove them, this is one method. Go to Filter, Noise, Dust and Scratches, Radius 1 pixel, Threshold 0 level. Now I'll remove the backgrounds, leaving only the pugs. Duplicate the pug layer and name it pug2. Now I'll use the magnetic lasso tool to select only the pugs. Shift-Control-I, delete. Now I go through the same process as before. Time to print out the two images on transparencies and make the screens. Okay, let's see what they look like printed on stuff. I constructed a simple screen press by using our plastic frames and tape. The 4-inch tiles look pretty good. Now for the second stencil. Break out the tape and attach to our plastic frame. I like to tape down one side first, then on the opposite side, tape only the stencil edge, stretch a bit, and tape down onto the frame. Now for a t-shirt. Well, that's unfortunate. It looks like a negative. I should have color blocked the area underneath first with white, or chosen a lighter t-shirt, preferably white. Let me know if you have a favorite imaging editing software, like GIMP, that you'd like me to evaluate for the StencilPro process.